Hi y'all. So I've been having trouble with my Freightliner Cascadia. I've got a full reservoir of coolant and it keeps telling me that it's not any good, that it's low, and it keeps shutting me down. I found out today there was an override button, but it's already so far gone that the override's not working. And so I called my dispatch. They told me how to bypass the sensor. So we're gonna see if we can do this, okay? So right now, since I've had the truck off, it's saying I'm good to go, but usually within seconds it's going off on me. And there it is. Now when I push the override button, it silenced the alarm, but you can see that it's still counting down, and it's saying I have low coolant, and I'll show you that I'm actually a little over full because it fooled me and told me I was low, so I added more to it, and we'll go from there. As you can see, I'm actually over the full line, but that was because this thing kept telling me that it was low. It should be just right here. So I told them I filled it up because I just didn't understand what was going on, and they said that was fine. But now I have to get this little piece right here off. This is the sensor bypass. I don't know exactly how to pull this out, but I got a couple of tools that might help me with this. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a pair of pliers. So I didn't have any regular pliers, but I've got my jewelry making tool pliers right here. We're gonna see. These are my flat nose. Supposed to be able to pull this out. It's not too easy to get to. Not easy at all. Not for me. Now for people that are mechanics, I'm sure this is like dummy. It's real simple. You're supposed to be able to push it from the back, but that's not working for me. So I'm gonna work with this off camera until I can get it to budge, and I'll be back. Stefanie for getting me some WD-40. Now I can pull this tab. Let's see, I can. It's out more than it was. I'll pull it all the way out. I think I'm just supposed to unlock it. Okay, so this is now pulled out. That tab is now pulled out. And there's supposed to be another one up under here that you squeeze and pull. Okay, there it is. And then you're supposed to be able to put a paper clip in there. So give me 1 second. Alright, so I have my paper clip. I'm supposed to put it inside of here. I don't know if both prongs have to go in, but I'm going to try to do that. Alright, hold on. Alright, I couldn't do it and hold this thing in, but I've got the prongs in there now, and I'm just going to put this back. Maybe I'll just leave it disconnected. Yeah, I think I just leave it like that. Yeah, because it ain't going to go back on. So we'll just, I think that's all we have to do. Let me just wrap this around because I don't want it flopping around. I certainly don't want to lose my paper clips. I guess we'll try it out. Let's see. Alright, let's try this out. Okay, now it has a check engine light on. So that's, I guess, going to be normal since I have a paper clip in it. And I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to get some electrical tape and wrap that wire up. And then we'll be done here. Yay!